Hello everyone! If you're new here, hi, I'm Tabby. I make videos about drawings and also lifestyle, and how drawing fits in my lifestyle. Today I'm showing you some t-shirts that I designed for myself, and then I'll show you how I would style them in many different outfits. So the first print to draw was this funny picture of a skeleton dancing a song sung by the moon. My style is, well, kinda dark, but also kind of funny. I like a lot of blacks, but I also like to keep a light mood to how I look. And I think this drawing hits that sweet balance between dark and funny. Also, as I mentioned before in another video, I'm a paleontologist, so I work with bones, and this skeleton for me is also a subtle reference to my profession. The second print I did was this sick one of a purple hand holding an eye. I have already shown this one before in another video, I love it so much. For this one, I just wanted to draw something crazy. But again, you have the juxtaposition of roughness and softness with the delicate butterfly standing on the top of the hand. I feel that if I don't have at least one soft element, the print gets too goth, too dark. And I'm not all that dark. I have a mushy center, just like Marceline. I feel like my style has more of a comfy emo vibes than heavy dark goth vibes, you know. After I'm done drawing the prints, I emailed it to the store where they printed on t-shirts, and after a couple weeks, the shirts arrived in my mailbox. So I'm not totally happy with the quality of this print. I'll probably try a different store next time, but it looks okay, it looks good. I'm gonna use it a lot.